Welcome to Crypto Minute, Bitcoin and crypto analysis and news. My name is Kris. Let's do it. Bitcoin is strong at 10,350. Dominance is a tad bit down. Coin market cap is above 300 billion, and apparently it's time to FOMO Hedera. And Kick is still getting kicked in the... Now, today's resistance is at 10,500. Support's at 10,200. And the forecast is a strong Bitcoin, breaking the 10,500 resistance, and watch for the 10,900 resistance after that. This is not financial advice, and you should never listen to a crystal ball anyways. Bitcoin bounces over 10,000 amid coronavirus concerns. Now, Bitcoin has been performing amazingly since the public awareness of the coronavirus. Basically, Bitcoin loves the apocalypse. US government prematurely sells seized Bitcoins, misses out on $1.6 billion. Unfortunately, North Korea knows the value and usefulness of cryptocurrency. The US Federal Reserve Chairman Powell has changed his tune on crypto. Apparently, he sees the usefulness of its privacy. And now he says we're funding several cryptocurrency projects to beat China in the digital currency race. It seems like only 2 years ago he didn't want to talk about cryptocurrency.
You can see that it's highly volatile, so I think it's not attracting a lot of success there. We can talk about it more offline.
Crypto fact. Fiat is a currency issued by a government regulation that has no intrinsic value. In Latin it means, let it be done. And with that said, I'm fiating out of here. If you enjoyed it, support it. Have a fucking awesome day. Thank you guys so much. See you soon.